National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southwestern Cumberland County, Prince Edward County, Northwestern Lunenburg County, Northwestern Nottoway County, until 9 p.m. At 8:15 p.m., severe thunderstorm was located over Pamplin City, or 9 miles northeast of Red House, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Farmville, Pamplin City College, Longwood University, Darlington Heights, Bryce, Green Bay, Prospect, Tuggle, Prince Edward Station, Briery, Twin Lakes State Park, Kingsville, Elam, Meherrin, Worsham, Briery Creek Lake, Allen's Mill, Burkes Tavern, and Schofield. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using X at NWS Wakefield.